Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you on how to set up this app and get a fast and secure connection, extra protection when you are online. So the app we're gonna share with you is on Google Play Store. So head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. In the search bar you search for this app. The app is known as Zipnet VPN. So this app is already on Google Play Store. The app will help you to secure your connection, add extra protection when you are online. So among the presented, you pick this one. So before using any VPN app, make sure to read its terms and conditions so you won't violate them. And after doing that, you're required to also follow your country laws so that you also don't violate them. So you must set up this app for it to work. Kindly install the app and open it to set it up, and it will land on its home screen where the setup begins. So first of all, you're required to update the app resources by tapping on the update button. This can help the app to update to the latest version, and it will provide you with the best service with its newly configured settings. So this will help the app to work perfectly. So after doing that, you will just tap on the update button. The app will do the rest for you, and after that you're required to pick a connection method. So I'm gonna show you. So you tap right here, and from here you can see that from here you can pick a server, and also from here you can see that you can access the free version, and also you can access the premium version and also the VIP version. So it depends on your budget. If you want free version, you can use that. If you want premium, you can go ahead and use it. And also each package has its own connection methods. So for example, the free version has the UDP as a connection method, and the premium version, it has the UDP and the slow DNS, and also it has the UDP again. So the VIP version, so it also have the UDP and then the slow DNS. So for today's guide, you can choose any version you prefer. So you can go with the premium for better speed and performance. So let's pick the free version, and you tap on the server below, and when you tap on the server below, this app will show that selected server. So today we have chosen the UDP server. This is because UDP is super fast and secure, and it's working for all countries which support UDP. Just in case your country supports UDP, this UDP server will definitely work for you. And after that, you're required to add on time where you see time left. So you are required to tap here on get more time, and when you tap here, you follow the prompts to add on the connection time within this app, the Zipnet VPN. And lastly, without wasting time, you'll be required to insert a connection, a super fast connection, by tapping on this connect button or the start button. When you tap on the start button, the app will be connected if UDP is working in your country. And that's how we set up Zipnet VPN to get a fast and a secure connection, extra protection when you are online.